Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says the fluid which reduces the friction on the lungs surface is present. Question पूछ रहा है कि lungs surface पे जो fluid present होता है वो lungs के function के वक्त उसमें produce होने वाले friction को कम करता है and ये fluid actually कहाँ present होता है? A either in between the double layered pleura, B within single layered pleura, C in between the cuticle layer over the lungs and the within mucous membrane surrounding the lungs. So question को solve करने के लिए key concept is protective coats over lungs. ना क्वेश्चन के बारे में अगर हमें जानना है तो एक्चुअली हमें लंग्स के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा. ह्यूमन lungs are our respiratory organ which actually consists of two, that is right and left part of the lungs. Now this right lung and the left lungs, they are basically located, you can say the lungs are actually located in media sternum. That means one on each side of the trachea, one on each side of sternum, you can say, or trachea, right? So this is exact location of our lungs. Now see, if I'm talking about our lungs, so our lungs are pinky spongy like organ. This is pinky spongy like our organ. This is the trachea which divides into various other branches inside the lungs. Now exactly what is happening here? Our lung is actually made up of or surrounded with the coats which provide them the protection like this manner, right? So you can say this outer membrane of the lungs is known as outer parietal pleural membrane. So you can say parietal pleural membrane, and this inner, you can say visceral because it is rich with blood supply. So inner one is visceral pleural membrane. So collectively they are called as pleural membrane. So lungs actually covered by pleural membrane. But in between the pleural membranes, like here, we have the fluid is present. In between the pleural membrane, we have here the fluid is present. And this fluid is actually providing them the protection. In both the lungs it is present. In both the lungs it is present. Here. In this manner. Right? So this fluid is actually known as pleural fluid. This is known as pleural fluid, which actually providing protection to the lungs from any kind of friction produced during the inhalation or exhalation. It protects lungs from any kind of friction that produced during either exhalation or you can say inhalation. Fine. अब ये present कहाँ है? Obviously they are present in between the two, or you can say two membrane or the double layered membrane. That means our lungs are double layered membrane. तो उन दोनों membrane के बीच में ही तो हमें दिख रहा है ये pleural fluid. तो question क्या पूछ रहा है ना, ऑप्शन हम देखें. The question is asking the fluid जो friction को कम कर रहा है वो कहाँ present है? Either A it in between the double layered pleura. तो yes, this is the correct answer. A is correct. So actually we'll go with option A. दैट इज इन बिटवीन द डबल लेयर्ड प्लूरा। बी ऑप्शन देखें तो इट इज सेइंग कि ये क्या सिंगल लेयर्ड प्लूरा के बीच में प्रेजेंट है, तो रॉन्ग, क्योंकि प्लूरल मेम्ब्रेन है ही दो, सिंगल नहीं होती है हमारे ह्यूमन लंग्स में। सी में हम देखें कि इन बिटवीन द क्यूटिकल लेयर ऑफ द लंग्स, तो क्यूटिकल लेयर तो हमारे लंग्स में होती ही नहीं है, वी हैव द प्लूरल मेम्ब्रेन। डी दे रखा है विद इन म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन सराउंडिंग द लंग्स, नो। तो लंग्स के चारों तरफ जो म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन है क्या उसके बीच में, उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है क्या, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, क्योंकि म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन हमारे लंग्स के इनर मेम्ब्रेन के बिल्कुल और अंदर की साइड प्रेजेंट होता है, तो दैट इज रॉन्ग। सो विल गो विद ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज अ मोर correct option. So the answer will be A. So I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.